Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn about the membership operators in Python. Membership operators in Python are in and not in. So why do we need to learn about the membership operators in Python? So we need to learn about them because they are used to check if a value exists or does not exist in a sequence like strings, lists, tuples, or dictionaries. And in is used to check if a value exists in a sequence. And not in is used to check if a value does not exist in a sequence. And here is the syntax and a basic example. So using in operator with a string. So here we are just saying check this character if it's in this string. So if we copy and paste this into the IPython, let me get into the IPython interpreter. So copy and paste this, we should see that, we get back true because the character A is in the string apple. And here we are just reversing the logic, which is Z should not be in the string apple. We should return back true because we know that the character Z is not in the string apple. Okay, and these are the practical examples. So example number one is using in again with a list. So we are using in with a list here. So here I have a list called devices, and this is a list of strings, and the strings are switch, router, and firewall. What we are saying here is we are checking if the string is in the list, which is devices. So this should return true because we know that router is in the list. And here we are just reversing the logic and we are using the not in operator. So we know that server is not in the devices list, so this should return true. And example number three is using in with a tuple. So here we are assigning this tuple to a variable called vlans, and we are using the in operator to see if number 20 is in the tuple called vlans. So this should return true, yeah, because we know that 20 is in the tuple. And this should also return true because we know that 40 is not in the tuple called vlans. This should return true. And example number five is using in with a dictionary. So we are actually checking the keys here. So we have a dictionary here called device info. Let me just copy and paste this. And here we are using the in operator. So we are checking if the key hostname is in the dictionary called device info. So this should return true because hostname, the key hostname is in the dictionary. And here, this is just the reverse logic. So we know that the location key is not in the dictionary, so it returned true. And example number seven is basically to show us that membership operators are case sensitive. So here I'm just showing you that I have this list and I'm checking if, the string switch with capital S is in the devices, which is a list. So this should return false because this string is not in the list. So this should be capital S, lowercase s. Now it's true. Okay, so that's all I wanted to cover in this video. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.